morning commute, but by the time you're heading home, we're looking at wet roads, potentially some snow mixing in, slick roads overnight tonight on into tomorrow. So if you're traveling, you want to keep that in mind. A winter weather advisory will go into effect for southern Erie, Wyoming, Cattaraugus, Chautauqua, and McKean counties at 4 o'clock this afternoon. That's going to run through noon tomorrow. So we're going to get a little bit of wintry weather around here, manageable by Western New York standards. Still, though, take it easy out there. We will have winter weather driving conditions overnight tonight on into tomorrow. Forewarned Doppler right now showing the shower in Erie, Pennsylvania, breaking up as it tries to push into Chautauqua County. Nonetheless, there is a chance of a spotty shower this morning. Steadier rain arrives this afternoon, and you can see that here on the satellite and radar. This is the system we're tracking in Ohio, Indiana, and back through Illinois. Notice how the green, meaning rain, changes over to snow. That's what's going to happen to us during the overnight hours. Mild, though, today. While it's a chilly start, we're looking at a high around 42. We're now at 34 in Buffalo and in the Falls, 38 in Dunkirk, 30 in Jamestown, right at freezing in Bradford, 34 for those of you in Wellsville. So for today, again, a high of 42. Chance of a shower this morning, steadier rain for the afternoon. We could see some snow mixing in. The atmosphere aloft is very cold. Little or no accumulation with that surface temperature, though. With Super Microcast, you can see how it really brings that rain in around the noontime hour. It does have a little bit of pink indicating some snow mixing in. Once we get to around the midnight hour, we're going to start to see any rain changing over to all snow. First areas south of Buffalo, then the Niagara Frontier. For tomorrow, slick roads as you start out your day. We are going to be picking up some accumulation. I'll show you the projected accumulation amounts in just a moment. This event comes to an end around the noontime hour, potentially some snow during the afternoon south of Buffalo, just flurries by tomorrow night. Tonight, though, we are going to be looking at rain changing over to snow as temperatures plummet to around 20 degrees. With that, we are going to expect slick road conditions. Lake effect snow is going to develop south of Buffalo. Blustery winds overnight tonight, be coming out of the northwest at 15 to 30 miles an hour. A general 1 to 2 inches across a good portion of western New York. From the Boston Hills out towards North Java and along that Chautauqua ridgeline, you could see 2 to 3 inches overnight tonight. Now, for tomorrow, we continue to see snow in the morning. It's going to taper off during the afternoon from north to south. We're breezy and we're very cold. Expect slick roads tomorrow. We're looking at a high of only 25 degrees for Wednesday. An additional 1 inch in the Niagara Frontier, 2 to 3 inches in the south towns, Hamburg, East Aurora, West Seneca, out through Wyoming County. Boston Hills into North Java and along that Chautauqua ridgeline, you're going to get an additional 2 to 4, potentially up to 5 inches. Perrysburg, you can expect more of that 5-inch snowfall amounts. For tomorrow night, we're going to see the snow taper off. General amounts in the advisory will range from 3 to 7 inches Niagara Frontier, 1 to 3 inches. We're looking at just a chance of flurries tomorrow night, but very cold and a low of 18. Joe?